sketch sketch 1. Till now we have completed all sketch related tools and commands. Now we need practice, so this is our first sketch. Let's select the plane sketch. See, this is the drawing we need to draw by using the commands what we have learned. So in this sketch, how many commands we will use and how we will use, let's see in this class. Now I'm selecting overall view of this sketch. Okay, done. And another thing, one circle is required. Okay, now select the constraints. 1, 2 constraints, 3 constraints, 4 constraints, 1, 2, 3, 4 constraints, and 5 constraints. So initially this 5 is enough. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 constraints is enough. See, 45, 30, 55. Now we'll go for 60, and it is 50, 55. It is 60, and diameter it is 50, and 70 point it is 55, and it is 45. Okay, 45, 30, 45, so it is 30, it is 55, it is 50, diameter 50. Constrain this circle with line tangency. Okay, and select another circle with radius 66. Sorry, 60. Okay, now constrain that circle with line. I'm coinciding with the XY axis. Okay, Now choose now choose quick trim. Trim all unnecessary things. Quick trim. So this line, and this arc. Now you can observe the shape we got. Now the only thing is required chamfers 20 and 15. $20 15 and 15.
Okay.
16 dia. Okay. This is the required sketch. This is our sketch 1, final sketch. It is completely constrained. There is no white lines. It is completely in green color. So it is fully constrained. Thanks for watching CAD Tech tutorials. Please subscribe our channel, like the video, share the video.